So once you copy the URL of the template and are at the installation section, as you can see as I am right now, you will get an overview of the WooCommerce template, and you will see all features inside the short overview and the guidelines to install. Basically, just follow the instructions on screen and enjoy. So let's install the template, but before you do, make sure that in the top left corner, you will have the correct workspace selected. Sometimes it might be that if you're working in multiple workspaces, that you are in the incorrect workspace where you want to install the template on. So always check in the top left corner if you are on the correct workspace. For me it is, so I can install the template. So let's press the button Install Template. From here, you will see that we also require a mini app. And as you can see, this is a free mini app. And the notification stands only free mini apps will be installed automatically to your workspace. So you don't have to do any additional actions. Soon as you install this template, you will also install this mini app. You will get an overview of all the available template contents, right? The only thing that you need to do now is just press the top right button, Next Step. Select the chatbot where you want to install this WooCommerce template on. For me, it's a omnichannel chatbot, which I named WooCommerce Course. So I will install it onto there. Then we'll get a final step of an overview. We have the template contents and we have the bot contents. So you will see that although the template has been created inside of a messenger channel, you will be able to install it into any channel that you like to, because this is a subflow template and not a bot template. So let's say install now. And this only takes a few seconds, as you can see here. We can say open the bot. And if you do not, it opens automatically. If we go towards the flow section right now, you will see that we have a WooCommerce template. Inside we will have 12 flows, and these 12 flows will be covered into the next set of videos. And if all went well, we should also have installed the mini app. So let's take a look and return towards the main overview. Let's go towards mini apps to see if we have the mini app. And as you can see here, form captures customer details, and we have the mini app details here. So now that we connected our WooCommerce web shop and also installed the template and mini app, it is time to walk through the individual flows of this WooCommerce template. So let's go towards the next video where we will start with just that.